I'm at the workshop of my good friend Sovic at Biker's Billet. So I like to share my experience out here. Some time ago, I had come in search for a backrest with extended rack, so I got it fixed, which I am quite happy with. At that time, I was shown a prototype for gear lever extenders. If you see my shoes, they are all black here because of the gear shift. So I was looking for a solution. So last time when I tried the prototype, I was not very happy because the extension was a little loose and it was rigid and fixed. So with various shoe sizes, it could not be adjusted. So this time I came for some other work and I was shown the finer product, which I got it fixed. So apparently now they have modified it. He's a good engineer and he has used his skills to modify it. The hole out here is little bigger, so it could be adjusted fore and aft. Plus the heel lever out here also has a slot. So if you have thick heels or flats, you can adjust it by putting at your comfortable position so that there is not much of an angle between the gear lever and the heel lever, which can be tightened as per your requirement. So friends, let's have a little closer look at the gear lever, how it moves with the heel. So this is a normal position and now the bike is in neutral. So if I wish to put it in first gear, I plus clutch and just put it down. This is first gear. When I start moving, instead of putting my toe underneath, I keep it on top itself and just push my heel. It will go into second gear, then third gear, and there shouldn't be a problem. Now if you see, the heel is a little bigger or it could be even bigger than this. So there is that slot which I showed you. You can put it a little down and then make it symmetrical to your gear lever. I'm quite happy that now in future I can wear normal shoes also and travel around. So it's worth trying if you are interested. Take it as an option and I'm sure Sovic will help you to customize it as per your needs. Thank you for your attention.